Welcome, in front of me is a Oppo A94, and today I'll show you how you can import your contacts from the SIM card to the phone. So to get started, well, let's open up the Google folder where you will find Contacts application. Well, we are deliberately looking for the Contacts application alone and not the dialer one, which also will have contacts. And the reason for this is in the strictly just contacts application, when you go into the three bars, settings, you will find import option at the bottom. Now if you would go through the dialer and contacts, you will not see this option. Anyway, from here you want to select SIM card. This will display all the contacts that are located on the SIM, and you can deselect contacts that you might not want. And also if you see contacts that are already deselected, that's completely fine. The phone is trying to prevent you from importing duplicate contacts. Those contacts are deselected because they already exist on your device. So anyway, from here we can just tap on import once everything is good to go. It gives us a pop-up right here asking us if we want to remove the contacts from the SIM card. I do not recommend doing this. If you tend to keep your contacts only on your SIM card, then keeping them there for basically remainder of the time is a good thing to have as a backup. If something would happen with your phone or anything, you still have backup of your contacts on the SIM. So I do recommend keeping them. So now it gives us a pop-up that X amount of contacts have been imported, and you should be able to see them right in your contacts list. Additionally, you also could import your contacts to your Google account if you wanted to, but I don't have any Google account logged in right here, so it didn't let me choose where I will import them. And in here, as you can see, we have the phone icon. When you tap on it, you can switch between where the phone is pulling contacts from. So by default for me it's the device itself, that's where the contacts are, but you can also select the SIM card, as you can see right here, which will display obviously the SIM contacts instead. And if you are logged into your Google account, that should be visible as an option as well. So anyway, that is how you can import your contacts to a phone, and if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.